Hi guys, James from MeasureSquare here. In today's video, we will cover how to design a stage in MeasureSquare 8. To begin, let's draw a rectangular room. Next, let's go to the elevation tool and draw a rectangular elevation from where our first step starts to the back of the stage. Then, let's go to the properties on the right-hand side and set the wall height for the elevation to 0 inches so that when we build the stage, we will arrive at the height using our stair height. Next, left-click to highlight the elevation and go to the Room Edit menu and select Create Stage. We can then highlight just the left edge of the elevation turquoise, indicating to the program that we want our stairs leading up to the stage from that direction. Now we also have the ability to change the option for the stage to go down instead of up if needed, via the Going Up or Going Down selections. We can also select whether the stairs go in or out from the stage. Note, some of these options will be limited if we are drawing an elevation inside of a room, as is most typical for most stages. Once we have our stair direction leading to the stage selected, we can enter in the tread and rise dimensions and then select the rise and tread product as needed. Click OK. We can see our stage has been built and the product has been applied. We can review our work in the 3D view if needed. Next, we'll show how to create some other common stage types as well, speeding up a bit until we get to the stage portion. For a stage that has stairs going up on 3 sides, the approach will be very similar. Just make sure you have the correct 3 sides highlighted turquoise and continue as before. For a corner stage, the approach will involve just 2 highlighted sections. Note, please keep in mind we are making sure to adjust the wall height to 0 on the Properties section every time before going into the Create Stage feature. We can also use the Create Stage feature for auditorium-style elevations, like those found in a theater or lecture hall. Stages with curved front are possible too. Just press R on the keyboard to enter arc mode when drawing that original elevation. For our last example, we will draw an amphitheater-style setup, starting with an elevation that's drawn outside of a room. We'll adjust the height to 0 inches as before. But this time, when we go to create the stage, we'll leave all the lines highlighted turquoise and select the Going Up and Going Out options before choosing our products and clicking OK. Let's check out all those stages in our 3D view. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos.